Hey guys, it's GoBilly15 here, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to take apart a wagon wheel. It's upside down. To take apart a wagon wheel. Right. Step 1. Open up the wrapper. Very important. There we go. This is the wagon wheel. Possibly the best sweet biscuit in the world. And then you hold it like that, and then, oh, look at that. Right, this is 1/3 of the demolition, shall we call it. And then one of these little outside bits, you just eat them. It's good actually, really good. Really good. Thumbs up for eating in a video. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Right, once you've eaten half of it, you can take off the, personally my favourite bit, the marshmallow layer. Just peel it off slowly. Just, oh, so carefully. Oh, oh, look at that. And that is how you disassemble a wagon wheel. And then you can eat them in any order you want, but oh, you can put them like that. So it's biscuit on the outside and chocolate and thingy on the inside. That's what I'm talking about. Wagon wheels. They're great.